Here I am at the intersection of Route 57 and Route 8 in Sandisfield, Massachusetts. We had a little mishap here last night. They're trying to build a bridge here, and somebody let his dump truck get a little bit out of control. By golly, he did come around the corner. Look at them skid marks.
Oh, look at the marks.
Yeah, he did come off the hill.
He made that corner on 2 wheels. Look at that. Supposedly. On one side.
So what apparently happened is he couldn't stop. His skid marks come around the corner, and he kind of ran into something. Nobody hurt. Happened early this morning, according to what I've been told.